Good day, welcome back again to my channel. Today we will discuss about the accessories of a house wiring, the most commonly used. First is the electric meter or energy meter. First in the list of common electrical parts you see every day is this electric meter. It is used by the National Electricity Grid to measure the units of electrical energy used or total power consumed in your household circuits. Most electric meters installed are analog meters, which display units intended to be read visually. Just like this. This is an example of analog meter. This one that I'm holding is a digital kilowatt hour meter. Electric utilities use electric meters installed at customers' premises for billing and monitoring purposes. They are typically calibrated in billing units, the most common one being the kilowatt hour. This one is the kilowatt hour that you pay every month, how much you consume. Next is the main circuit breaker. This one. This is a circuit breaker power panel. At the top is the main switch. The main circuit breaker is the circuit breaker for all circuits. Means it will supply all the sub circuits. This is the switch that goes on and off to control the flow of current. So if there's an overload due to a short circuit or because too many appliances are running simultaneously, the corresponding circuit breaker automatically trips to shut off the flow of current. For example, this one is not activated when it's short circuit, so the main circuit breaker will switch off so that it will disable all the power. This is the main power breaker, and this one is a branch circuit breaker. This one is a bus bar. The bus bar, the two rows in the main circuit breaker panel connect to hot bus. This is where the current flows from the main breaker to the branching circuits and reaches the outlet. This is line 1, line 2. If you take out this one, this bus bar will be divided to two pieces. This is a double pole breakers. This breaker have two hot wires that are connected by a single neutral wire. That means if there's a short circuit on either of the poles hot wires, both trip. These breakers can be used to separate 120 volt circuits or they can serve a single 240 volt circuit, such as central aircon circuit. Next is the wall switch. Wall switches are hand-operated electromechanical devices used in residential and commercial buildings, most commonly for lighting control. They are also used to control ceiling fans and electrical outlets. The wall switch is one of the most common and important electrical devices in the home. This type of switch is for doorbell. This one is for single. This one is one way, also one way switch. This type is a three-way. A three-way switch are used in pairs and usually found at both ends of a staircase or in a garage or basement that have two entries, in hallways and other places where two separate switches control one light. And also they call it a single pole double throw switch. This is another other type of switch. This is a control switch for dimmer bulb. This one is a single pole switch. Is the general purpose workhorse of switch. It is used to control a light, receptacle, or other device from a single location only. Next is the receptacle. The receptacle is allow electrical equipment to connect to the electrical grid. The electrical grid provides alternating current to the outlet. Other homes contain receptacles that supply both normal and high voltage. Normal voltage is used for power lights and small appliances such as televisions, radios, and so forth. And if they say that high voltage, this one is used to power large appliances such as ovens, stoves, air conditioning, dryers, and water heaters. Next is a plug. A plug is a movable connector attached to an electrically operated device. The plug is a male connector, open with protruding pins that match the openings and female contacts in the socket. This is also a different type. Also this one. This is a lamp holder. Lamp holders are mechanical devices that support lamps and connect them to electrical circuits. They hold light bulbs and make electrical contact to provide a bulb with power. Lamp holders are used with most light sources for incandescent, fluorescent, and compact fluorescent lamp. For wall and ceiling lights with a fixed lamp holder, it is important that the lamp holder is compatible with the type of bulb you want to use. This is a fluorescent lamp holder, another type. This one is electrical conduit. This is a tube used to protect and route electrical wiring in a building or structure. Electrical conduit may be made of metal, plastic, fiber, or part clear. Most conduit is rigid, but flexible conduit is used for some purposes. This is a flexible conduit. And this one is a PVC conduit also. This one is electrical junction box, also known as J-box. Is an exclosure housing electrical connection. Junction box protect the electrical connections from the weather, as well as prevent people from accidental electric shock. Most electrical boxes are either metal or plastic. Metal boxes are generally made of steel, while plastic boxes are either PVC or fiberglass. Weatherproof metal boxes for outdoor use are generally made of aluminum. This is also another type of junction. Also this one. This one is for the conduit tube. Electrical cables. Electrical cables are used to connect two or more devices, enabling the transfer of electrical signs or power from one device to the other. Cables are used for a wide range of purposes, and each must be tailored for that purpose. Cables are used extensively in electronic devices for power and signal circuits. There are three types of electrical wire: the live wire, the neutral wire, and the earth wire. The red or brown wire used for live wire connection. The blue or black used for neutral connection. The green or yellow is ground earth connection. So that's all the electrical wiring accessories. Thank you for watching.